We're at the food forest, the Rocky Hill Food Forest, and some ladies over here picking raspberries. Yeah, look at that. And some raspberries. Got a banana tree. Over here you got some ocean spray. And here you have Oregon grape. Oregon grape. Nice. Got all the kale seed. Cherry tree. Ooh, nice banana. Very healthy looking banana. Look at this. There's rhubarb, plum trees, all kind of trees all along there. Pathway soil bank, flowers. Check it out. And we're gonna go up. And here we go. Potatoes, rhubarb. Nice. Look at this. Look at the strawberries still. Wow. Yep. Wow. Look at this place. It's amazing. Yep. Oh, there's the guy that lives here in the forest.
You see my pollinators I bought for $4.44 each?
Nice.
See, when they tempt me with that, it's hard to turn down.
Yeah, I see you have some blueberries.
Yep.
Some cabbage. I like the broad beans.
Yep.
Look how big they are.
I know, I peeled most of them off.
Did you?
Yep. Oh, there's some on the ground because they're not tied up.
Right.
What are you murdering there? You're stepping on everything.
No. I'm going up here to look
You're attacking a silverback.
at these broad beans. Nice.
Most of them are gone. They were all growing.
I know, you ate them.
Yeah.
Look at your blueberries. This first year planted. This is a 1-year-old food forest.
Hey, I'm older than that.
You're older. Look at this, Saskatoon berries. But look here, raspberries.
Oh, yeah.
And this is a nice fruit tree, a nice plum. This is a nice plum. And look at all the sunchokes all along here. This is fabulous. This is pretty nice. Yeah. Yeah. It's pretty nice.
I gotta eat that before the vermin eat it.
Wow, you've got holes here. Some creatures live in here.
Yeah, there's creatures.
Yeah, look at that.
That's not a creature living there, that's a squirrel.
Look at these sunchokes. Those are nice. Winter food. Beautiful. And look at these peas. I must take this one. I must. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Tomatoes.
Following the old silverback up the hill.
You got strawberries.
Yeah, that's vermin. That's for them.
Look how big your sunchokes are.
Yep.
Wow.
Yep, they're taking over.
Wow, look at your cabbages. Nice apple tree.
Need to go get apples next year. Hey, look at. There's my mini cucumber. They're not mini. He's not ready yet. And then there's this one.
Nice cucumber.
This guy.
Oh, look at that.
I gotta hide him. He seems to be happy in there.
Wow. Quite the food forest, Palushka.
Well,
Yep.
my pollinator I got.
Nice, bring in the bees. Yep.
And this is coming back, the bok choy that we bought in Duncan off the farm.
Oh, right, we ate that.
Yeah, and then we put it back in.
And then you regrew this.
Yep. It's gonna come back in.
Well, sure.
What's this red stuff? Different kind of mold?
Unknown to me, brand new.
Because I've got it over here and there.
New fungus, look.
Yep. Yep.
Unknown.
More peas.
Look at these tomatoes. Pretty nice. And this is in Canada. Yeah. Well, Lushka, you did really good.
You got that big tomato bush. That is wild.
Yeah.
That thing's huge.
You did pretty good. Yep. You got a little apple tree here.
Yeah? Good.
Right here.
That came off the other one when the bugs ate it.
Yeah, right here.
Yeah, came off of him.
So you just planted it?
No, it did itself.
Well,
It was nothing.
here comes the owner of the food forest.
Owner.
Yeah, this guy's the worker.
That's the foreman.
That's the master and
That's the ideal
commander. Anything you'd like to tell the world, Palushka?
Yeah, when there's work, she does the planning.
When there's work, she does. Someone has to rule.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
you said that this was barley?
I don't know. Looks like rye.
You said it was barley grass.
I don't know. But what a beautiful food forest, Palushka.
Story making.
This is very beautiful. Yeah. This is gorgeous. Look at this place. This did not exist. Well done. Yep. What do you got here?
Oh, I think that's the watermelon finally coming up.
Watermelon?
I think so.
No. This is lemons.
It can't be lemons. I don't remember planting lemons.
Those are little lemons.
How come every time I plant something, it's lemons? It's supposed to be watermelon.
I don't know. You eat a lot of lemons.
Well, that's true.
Wow. Now this is a food forest. Look at the sunchokes here. Beautiful. And then it comes over here.
There's potatoes everywhere.
Well, yeah, there's potatoes. And there's a gorilla. Yeah. But you see it goes
the old
all the way up here. It's absolutely beautiful here. And then this is all food. And this is all bare rock. And then Paul made Pathway Soil Bank with his wife. And then the family moved it up on here.
What? What? What?
She worked hard. She fell down the mountain 2 or 3 times.
Yeah, that's about all she did.
I mean, look how far down this is. This is all on the side of a hill. And
That scared me.
yeah. Well, this is Howie Jones.
You gotta watch where you're walking here.
And all the best. Much love and respect, everybody. It's gorgeous here.
And that stuff is every here and there, that red mold.
That's that jelly, peach jelly fungus that Steve Fisher gave you.
Oh.
Remember?
Yeah.
And you brought it here.
Yeah.
Now it's traveling through. It's the mycelium. That's good eating. But anyway, this is Howie Jones. All the best. Much love. Plant a tree. Save the planet.